So in this Google Finance tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to view the net income of a stock here on Google Finance. So once you open up Google Finance, what I want you to do is select a stock or a company of your choice. So for this demonstration, I'll just go ahead and use Meta right here, ticker symbol META. I'll go ahead and press on that. So once you have the stock selected, just scroll down to the very bottom to where it says financials, and you'll see the three different options. You'll see income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. Go ahead and make sure that income statement is selected by just going ahead and pressing on the drop down. So once you're here, you can go ahead and select quarterly or annual, whatever one you're looking for. But if you wanted to go ahead and view the annual, for example, net income, you can go ahead to where it says net income company's earnings for a period net of operating costs, taxes, and interest. For me, I guess in this case, 62.36 billion or a 59.5% change on a quarterly basis. You can view those numbers as well. In case you guys are curious. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to view the net income of a stock or a company here on Google Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.